Hi, for today's tutorial I'm going to be making this adorable little hanging farmhouse style pillow. It's very small. You'll be able to hang it as an ornament on maybe a rack or simply just place it on your tiered tray. First, I ironed on my little vinyl cutout that I used my Cricut machine to cut. The image was already created. I just searched farmer's market and this came up and I thought it was so cute for spring. So I ironed it on. It's a 4x4 and the little canvas that I'm ironing it onto is 5x5 approximately. I don't know, I just guesstimate. But I cut my ribbon for the handle so it can hang, and I'm just gonna go ahead and iron down just this part when we glue so it doesn't look messy. Be careful, the iron is hot. I did accidentally burn myself. Just so when it folds over you can glue it and it's like a nice little seam there. Just makes it easier. So now go ahead and just glue your ribbon on the top. It helps if you glue this part that you ironed over. If you glue that completely across, I learned that the hard way. Just go ahead and do a glue strip across the whole thing so it stays nice and sealed. And now I'm just going to do a really thin line of hot glue down the edges. Make sure you get it as close to the edge as possible. It's okay if a little bit of glue seeps out, but when you flip it inside out, this will give it that nice square shape. Once it's dry, just go ahead and carefully turn it inside out and smooth down that line all the way around the seams. You might have to like stick a pencil or something inside to get that corner nice and pointed, just however you like it, but the top's going to be pointed, so you want it to match. I thought, oh my gosh, this looks so cute as like a little bag, and I could hang it and stick flowers out of it, and I was almost tempted to not fill it because it looks like the cutest little shopping bag. And that inspired me. Maybe I'll do something a little bit bigger like that and hang it. Okay, but today we're just gonna make the pillow, so we'll follow through with what was originally planned. Now I'm just using a bag of polyfill that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a while ago. I use that for all my stuffing projects because it's really soft and a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm just going to hot glue the top of the seam on one side and just kind of squish it together so I seal it up. And that's it. So easy and so adorable.